What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May. I also go by the name The Glamour. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. And today's video is going to be another edition of Rate My Shoe. I am so excited for this, you guys. For new visitors, welcome on in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Rate My Shoe is essentially a series that I do on my channel anytime I buy a new pair of sneakers, or now it's kind of heels and everything like that too. Get yourself a girl that can do both. But it originally started off for sneakers. I call them trainers, but I know it's sneakers to everyone else. Whatever. But basically, it's all about new sneakers that I get. I show you guys the shoe, I unbox them. We rate the shoe in the comment section. So yeah, it's all about what you guys think of my shoes. And for returning subscribers, welcome back in and welcome back to another episode of Rate My Shoe. And today I have actually got a new pair of sneakers for you that I definitely did not plan to buy, but I've got them. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys. And these are my Balenciagas. Now, I did not plan to buy these. I did not account to buy these. But I basically went to London with my mum and my brother's girlfriend, and both of them literally set out to get these shoes. And I was like, I feel really left out. Like, everyone was getting them, and I was like, so I did actually get a pair, and I was umming and ahhing between two pairs. There was a black and white pair and a black and pink pair. And black and pink is me, it's my brand, it's the glamour, it's wrestling, everything. But then the black and white one, you know, is gonna go with everything. I was looking at them both and I was like, okay, like I'll try the black and white ones. And they're like, we don't have your size. And I literally took that as a sign from God. God said, branding, bitch. And I actually ended up getting the black and pink ones, and they are so fucking unreal. And now I'm literally obsessed, and I can't stop looking at their website, all the shoes and bags, and I'm like, this is not on your price range, get out of there. But once you get one, you know, it kind of like feeds the addiction. So here they are. I literally am so in love, and I'm also so excited to wear them. But the problem is, when now I've committed to this series, I can't wear my shoes until I do my Rate My Shoe video. So I'm so excited to wear these. They're the gorgeous Speeds. This is the graffiti pattern on them. It's a real like middle baby pink. I don't know if the ring light is kind of like throwing it off, but it's literally the perfect color for me. And I originally did want the black and white. Like, I was looking at the black and white and I was like, they're gonna go with a lot of stuff. But to be honest, this is gonna go with all black. It's gonna go with all of the pink stuff I have. I have a lot of pink clothes. It's definitely going to match all of that. But I'm just so in love with the shoe. The main thing that I love about it is just the fact that it's completely black and then it's got the statement graffiti on it. The other thing that I love is how comfortable these shoes are. I can't even tell you guys. I mean, the clue is in the name. They're literally sock shoes, but they do feel like a pair of socks. And normally with these kind of shoes, they're like really deceptive and they're super uncomfortable. Like, I've had that before where there are these amazing shoes and they're kind of styled to be like comfort, and then you put them on, they're horrible. These are so comfy. I can't even tell you. It'd be like walking around in a pair of socks, which I'm so excited for. Like, let's make it happen. They have a really chunky sole, which if you are a regular on my channel, you know that I love a chunky sole. I just think with trainers, like, I want them to be there. They're not a pair of pumps. Like, I want it to look like a statement piece. I want it to look like something. So the fact they have a really chunky sole, I really immediately like. And then on the bottom, it just has Balenciaga, which I think is a nice little subtle effect. I think the soles of them are really cool. Of course, the statement graffiti is really nice. And then it's just got slightly different patterns in the knitwear, and then it's made to mold your feet. So I did actually size down. We all sized down, which was completely perfect. So if you do get these, I would actually recommend going to the store to try them on. I mean, my mum was gonna get some and then we all like made a day out of it. She was like, I need to go and try them on. And now I have a pair. So I don't, there's a bit missing in between. I don't know what happened. I would recommend trying them on, going to the store to try them on, because they're super expensive too. So it's not like you can order a couple of pairs and then send some back, because I did size down, so I'm normally 38, I went for 37, and they're a perfect fit, and they're just literally unreal. I got these from Selfridges actually. They have like a really good range of them in there, but I'm just so in love. I am going to give these a 10 because they're my very first pair of Balenciagas, which is just, I didn't think this would happen this soon, but I'm very, very excited about it. So my very first pair, and I'm just fucking living for the fact that it has the pink on it. I just think that's such a statement. It's so Mariah May, it just suits me so much. So I'm gonna give them a 10. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think and how you would style them. I already have so many ideas because these are the moment, these are the statement piece. I'm very, very excited. But don't forget to comment your rating, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.